What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I know by the title of this video you clearly know what I'm going to be doing. So we are going to be reviewing some of the analysis that we did today. Today is on 9th Feb. You can clearly see it's on 9th Feb, which is on currently it's at 6:13 p.m. and I did some of the analysis around by 7 a.m. in the morning. That was on the live stream on the YouTube, and this just to encourage you to be joining my YouTube live stream each and every day, so as you can be able to have an insight of the day on how to be trading currencies. Okay, so let's have a look at some of the trades that we took today. Remember that I've already gotten some feedback from some students who took some trades today. I can clearly see one of our trades that I was emphasizing a lot was USD CAD. You can clearly see this student took a trade on USD CAD and our TP. You know this green means what? TP hit. TP hit, the king of currency, gave the analysis. So we are going to go directly to the screen or the trading view. We can be able to see the analysis. Let's go. Okay, so guys, this is my YouTube channel, and just in case you missed out on the live stream, you can be able to come. You can clearly see it was streamed 8 hours ago. We have more than 235 viewers on this live stream. So in case you missed watching this view, you missed watching out this live stream, you can come back and watch it. So just go back directly to the trading view and check some of the pairs that they really work out well. So the first pair we had on gold, our view on gold today was this. We were looking for to buy or sell at this particular level, at this particular liquidity entry, but I was mainly looking forward for these buys at this particular liquidity entry. So we didn't have any entry that was mitigated during this entire day, during the London session and the New York session. We go to the next pair, which is USDCHF. The USDCHF, our view was on a sell. You can clearly see our TP was hit as early as morning. So by the time around 13, which was around 1 p.m., our TP was hit. You can see we clearly did this analysis around 9, because I gave these entries around 8 a.m. in the morning. Our TP was hit. That's one trade, giving us it had a risk to reward ratio of 1:3, and giving us how many pips down? Giving us 41 pips. The market went over beyond our target, but we don't have any control of it. Our second pair we had was AUD-USD. AUD-USD, we are looking for buys from this particular level. Remember that our zone was not mitigated, so this trade was not activated during our entire session. Another trade that is paining me a lot is GBP-USD, because I was looking for GBP-USD to mitigate this particular level. This one, the second trade was not mitigated from according to our live stream in the morning. It had a risk to reward ratio of 3. Euro-USD, we didn't have any view on Euro-USD. Oh yeah, I remember we had a view. We were waiting for the market, because this is a fair and change of card. This one we still have it tomorrow. We are going to give more insight on it. Another pair we had was USD card. This trade was hit TP early in the morning. We gave this trade, had a risk to reward ratio of 1:3, and gave us how many pips? You can clearly see it gave us around 38 pips, and you can clearly see it went even over beyond our target that we had. Remember, if you didn't watch this live stream, you can come back to my YouTube channel and watch this live stream if you're really interested on seeing how we did this analysis. Let's go to EuroCAD. EuroCAD is an active trade. We gave this analysis. You can clearly see this was a liquidity entry. Currently, it's running how many pips from our entries? 30 pips. And when I say about sniper entries, I'm the best when it's come to giving you sniper entries in terms of currencies. Let's come to GBP card. Our view on GBP card, we are looking for this sales. The order block was visible on 2 hours. You can clearly see the order block was invisible on 2 hours. It's not TL mitigated, still active. Euro NZD. Oh, Euro NZD, we were looking for sales from this particular level. We had a reversal of our head and shoulder. You can clearly, it's very visible. It's an active trade with how many pips? With 82 pips. And one thing you know is that Euro NZD is one currency has high pip value in terms of trading. It's not compared as other currency pairs, because some currency pairs, they have high pip value than others. Let's go to AUD NZD. What was the view? AUD, I don't see we had any view on this view. If you don't see analysis, that means we didn't have any view. Come to GBP-CHF. GBP-CHF, the market didn't mitigate this particular zone. This was a very zone that we were looking for. Remember, we had this order block which was visible on 4 hours. 4 hours, yeah. You can see this order block visible on 4 hours. The market didn't mitigate that. And then this one, ikatuacha hivyo. We have GBP-AUD. We had another view on GBP-AUD. The market didn't reach exact where I said in terms of sniper entries, because I wanted the market to come to this particular level before continues to drop. You see, it has already hit our TP. But the thing is, even joining our live stream to give you an insight whether we are on the right side of the market. Euro-AUD. We had more setups on Euro-AUD and this particular level. This one was not mitigated. Also, this considering that we are looking for sales from this particular level. USD-JPY. USD we were looking forward for buys from this particular level, the grab or liquidity. And the first time the market came, didn't grab liquidity, so it was not activated as an entry. Remember that the activation of the liquidity, there's a way I talked about activation of liquidity on the live stream. CAD JPY looking forward for buys on this particular reversal. It's an active trade. You can clearly see it's currently is running how many pips? 15 pips from that particular level. EUR JPY we didn't have because this was analysis from my previous day. Let's come to GBP JPY. GBP JPY, one of our best trades because this is a second trade that I gave. Also, I give signals on my entries on my free Telegram. You can clearly come and see. I gave this signal on GBP JPY on my Telegram for those people who are paid. I gave this active buys on GBP JPY. Remember, this was our second trade. Our first trade that we gave during the live stream in the morning was from here, from this liquidity. You can just check out from our live stream. And one of the best trades I gave also was that this is a sniper entry. You can clearly see this moved how many pips from our entry level. From our entry level, that's around 100 pips. And also those one on my Telegram, or they can be able to confirm that they took this trade. You can clearly see mambo nilingia JJ ulipeana morning, can I hold it? And I said yeah, you can hold it. Again, I also did a reversal of this entry which I gave the signal on the office today on our trading floor. Let me just remove this. This as the first trade was here, so, and our second trade was this particular level. We are still going for a second trade here. We had another setup from that particular level. So you didn't watch this live stream, go back to my YouTube channel. You're going to get this insight. You can clearly see these true trades I gave them today on one single day. Let's come back to AUD JPY. Let me see if I had any analysis on AUD. No, I was looking for active buys from this order block. You can see the market didn't mitigate that. CHF JPY, I didn't have any view on CHF JPY. USL, no. AUD CHF. On AUD CHF, I was still looking forward for more buys on this order block. The market didn't mitigate this order block, so it's an active entry for us. Bitcoin is at 68 currently, and I had this liquidity entry here in the morning. I talked about it and I said I'm looking forward for sales since the market has already grabbed liquidity. And then Ethereum didn't have any view. Silver, I didn't have any view on it. USD ZAR, I remember I had the insight on sales from this particular level. The market didn't mitigate. And AUD CAD, we had these buys from the binded order block on 4 hours. I talked this on my live YouTube, so you didn't watch this video, come back to this live stream and you can see how I came up with this analysis. And coming back to NZD JPY, I was looking forward for a reversal here. The market didn't activate that. And USD CAD, which is Nasdaq, I was also looking for activation of more buys from this particular level. The market didn't come to activate this order block. And US30, I didn't have any view. Oh, this is another view. I can clearly see I can try to do analysis more. We can see order block there on US30. So that's the insight that we had here. You can be able to see from actually we didn't have any loss today, any single loss from our morning analysis. And those people who can watch this live stream, they can testify. Make sure that you drop that comment on my live stream. Make sure that you hit that like button. Make sure you share this video to your friend and tell them that to be watching the king of currencies do the analysis early in the morning by 7 a.m.